Here's the goal. Watch a value, and the moment it crosses a threshold, get an email automatically. No script, no polling. First, we need something live to watch. So in Device Manager, we start a new custom device on Modbus TCP. Name the device, then point it at the sensor's address on the network, host, and port. That's the entire connection. Modbus doesn't need a broker, a token, or anything else configured. One point to add: which register to read from the tank, what type its value is, and the direction. Read, since we're only listening to the sensor here. Pick which node should run it, then create. The wizard confirms the device is live and already polling the sensor. Open it in the tree. The level is already reading live from the tank, updating in real time. While we're in here, let's also set up how ControlBird will actually send the email. It's the exact same wizard we just used, just a different protocol this time. SMTP for outgoing mail. Same pattern as before. Name the integration, then the mail server's address. For a real setup, this would be your provider's host and port Gmail, Office 365, whatever you happen to use plus the address it sends from. For this demo, we're pointing it at a local mail relay instead. One thing matters here plainly. Direction has to be right, not read. We're telling ControlBird to send mail out, not read anything in. Then who air emails, and what the subject and body should say, using a couple of template placeholders for the live value and a timestamp, filled in automatically at send time. Same node as before, same create button, and the email integration is live, ready to send the moment something asks it to. Now the rule itself. Over in the Alarms config app, we define a brand new behavior. Watch the sensor's live data field, and the moment its value climbs above 40, mark the alarm critical. Otherwise, it just stays informational, and nothing gets sent at all. And so a brief flicker at the line doesn't spam anyone, a little deadband, and a short delay before it activates. Back in Device Manager, the level point now gets an alarm of its own. One click, pick the behavior we just built. Over in active alarms, nothing yet. But the level is still live, and the instant it crosses 40, this fires on its own. Acknowledge it. That tells the team someone's already looking, without clearing the condition itself. Now the email. Right-click the alarm, add email notification, and point it at the integration we already built. That's it wired. The next time this alarm changes state, ControlBird emails that address on its own. Here it is, arriving live.